Today we are going to explore a different aspect of nature in a very different sense. We are a part of nature, and drumming or percussion is said to be an insight into the soul. The drum echoes the heartbeat after all. And today we are going to look at these different aspects of nature. How wind, how rainfall, how sunshine and soil, heaven, earth, and ultimately man craft the character, the personality, the brightness, the texture, the flavor, the goodness in tea, and how that echoes in a different sort of a rhythm. The rhythm of nature reflected in the rhythm of Ravibandhu's drums. This is a green tea using a tradition that is around 3000 years old. It combines the petals of jasmine and natural jasmine to soften it. And what it does is it balances the astringency of the tea in this light, aromatic, gentle tea. It has certain softness, it has sweetness, it's very gentle on the palate, and the aftertaste is also gentle. It's all about harmony, but gentle harmony. So I know with percussion it might be a little difficult, but I know you can do it.
Any of these drums can play very gentle sounds and very aggressive sounds as well. A note is like the heart of a music piece. Percussions are made for playing rhythms that stem from the heartbeat. But then note how these different notes, as you feel these different tones of flavors in different parts of the tongue in the mouth, how not simply the rhythms but different notes are created out of the drums. For example, if I play this, dung lo ta do do ta ta do ta, so it makes a melody. See, it's not simply there, but then when I put it into a framework of a rhythm cycle, dong 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 dong. So it's soft and creates different notes, not simply rhythms, but within a time cycle.
That's beautiful, and in fact melody is very appropriate because this next tea that we are going to look at is actually a melody. It's a melody in tea, in fruit. It combines a fine mid-grown Ceylon tea, right? Little bit oaky, but also combines fruit notes. And here we have a little bit of citrus. So you have that spectacular, sensuous sweetness of strawberry. It's almost a fleshy sweetness. You have a little bit of raspberry, which is different. It's a little harsher, little bit more tart, but all coming together, and the melody comes from the tea.
Okay, let's try to do it without any of these drums.
Now that would
The
be a
drum
challenge.
syllables, all these drums have a very rich, highly codified drum languages. See, for example, the tabla, na, tung, tatakata gadigana. Any syllable can be verbally uttered on this, tang katakata jong, or dung dung ta. So I'll try to express that feeling through a combination of drum syllables expressed verbally that combines some of these drums, yet and also bringing it a melodic aspect to it. Takita takita takadhimi taka jonu takita takita takadhimi taka jonu takita takita takadhimi ta jonu ta ta takadhimi taka jonu ta ta takita dhimi taka jonu ta takita takadhimi taka jonu takita takita ta jinga takata kukunda kukunda kun takatarikita kukunda kukunda kun takatarikita ta tak ta tang ting tang, ta tak ta tang dam tam, ta tak ta ta jin tang, tak ta tang ding dang, ta tak ta dang ding dang. Dong 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 dong.
That was magnificent, magnificent. Truly a walk through a fragrant orchard and exactly expressing this inspiration's very sensation. And you know the adventure is going to continue, this experience, because next we're going to have to experience it with food.
Great.
So we will try culture, tea, percussion and Sri Lankan food.
Lovely.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you.